Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install WhatsApp on desktop or laptop. As you can see right here, here's WhatsApp. I'll show you how to get it. The first thing you need to do is go into your browser. And from your browser, you're going to type in WhatsApp web and you'll be led to this page, on which you are going to scroll down, and right where you see download for Windows, you can tap on that. As you can see here, Mac or Windows PC. And after you have done that, you will simply install WhatsApp and you'll be led to this page. After you finish your installation, and you will see the option to use WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone. And whether you're on an Android device or on an iPhone, you will simply, if you're on an Android device, you will go into WhatsApp, tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to select linked devices and you will tap on that. And from there, you will simply hover your phone over the QR code. And then on your device, you will see logging in. And as you can see right there, I'm doing it right now. Then you will see connecting end-to-end encryption. And that's it. So the WhatsApp that was on the device, the phone that you use to scan the QR code, will automatically be logged in to your desktop or laptop, as you can see right here. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.